Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix if your Tango Live login error on iPhone. This is the hidden fix most people miss. Follow those simple steps. Step 1. Fully close the app. Swipe up from the bottom and pause. Find Tango Live. Swipe up to close it. Then don't reopen yet. This clears stop login season. Step 2. Reset network the right way. Turn airplane mode on. Wait for 10 seconds. Then turn it off. Switch Wi-Fi to mobile data. This refresh your IP with Obtain blocks login. Step 3. Fix date and time. Go to settings, then general, then date and time. Turn on set automatically. Wrong time can cause server authentication failure. Step 4. Turn off VPN or private relay. Disable any VPN app, then go to settings, then tap on your Apple ID, then iCloud. Turn off privacy relay if enabled. Tango Lab may block masked locations. Step 5. Upload app. Go to settings, then general, then iPhone storage. Tap on Tango Lab, choose upload app, then reinstall it from the App Store. This removes corrupted login files without deleting your account. Step 6. Allow app permissions. Go to settings, then Tango Live. Enable cellular data, then enable background app erase. Block data can cause login error. Step 7. Try logging in again. Open Tango Live. Use the original login method, Google, Apple ID or phone number. Don't switch methods during login. The fix nobody shows you. Your Tango Live login should work normally now on your iPhone. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.